Okay, believe it or not, I made this blank circle in an hour or less. Okay, here's the demo of one circle cut I'm doing right now. I'm putting it in a double-sided tape and put it on the pin hole that I made. Stick it there. I'm using the bandsaw, by the way. And then start the bandsaw. Okay, and then there's a stop on my sled. Then just turn it on, like move it like clockwise, and then I move it like several times to clean the outer layer. Okay, to clean up the edges. And this is one of my favorite and fast and safe to make circle. Okay, so my hand is away from the blade, so looks like it's close, but it's away from the blade. So here it is. Less than, I think, 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes, I have a perfect, like 4.5 size, no hole right there. Perfect.